Well, we're gonna make some chicken balls today. We got the oil going, and I use the peanut oil. I find it works the best, it doesn't burn. And then this stuff is awesome. Really good stuff. And then I just put a little bit of garlic hot sauce in there, pepper, salt, and then the chicken. And then the chicken I just cut up already. And they're in cubes. You didn't need me to show you how to cut that up. Mix it in that with the batter mix. I mixed already. And then I'll just throw in some hot sauce, depending on how hot you like it. Some pepper. Give it a shake, shake, shake. We're up here at the campsite, Grande Cache. Some salt. Hey?
Huh?
Some salt, and then I just gotta mix it up, and there's the oils going there. So I'm gonna mix it up here. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Mix it real good. And then, just so I can hear there, the back of the speaker. And then I just mix it up. Let it sit for a little bit. Don't make the oil too hot. Test it, throw a little bit in there. And she should be good. Then we have this with rice and some teriyaki sauce. It doesn't take that long to cook. Let them cook for a little bit. Don't overfill the pan, otherwise they have a tendency to burn. Beautiful campsite. Got the fire going.
It was hot, so we have the umbrella up today. And Hunter's a little played out from all our walks today and a little hike.
Just let them
good,
cook
babe.
up. These are so good. And that's about it. That's all I throw in there. Let them cook up. It all depends what kind of, we're cooking off camp stove, so the heat is, you got the wind blowing on the flame and everything else. Had an awesome little hike today to Twin Falls. And then we got back, relaxed. And we went for another little hike, went around town. So it was a good,
It's a good day.
day.
It's hot here. It's been thundering, but we haven't had any rain yet, so I don't know what that's all about.
It's been thundering. Had quite a bit of thunder. Just let them cook. I mean, it's kind of windy, so I'll turn it up a little bit. Like I say, you don't want it too hot, they're gonna burn.
I should get some paper towel or tin foil.
So just let them cook like that. Turn them once in a while. And they are so good. Better than any restaurant anyway. And that batter, this stuff is really good. I don't know if you can see the name. And if you're French, well, there you go. There's the ingredients in it. But yeah, really enjoy that batter. I've tried so many different types of batters, and this just seems to work the best for us. You'll see in a minute here. And you can let the chicken sit in some spices or whatever, or no spices, just depends what you want. It's getting a little bit hotter now, the oil. Yeah, I recommend using the peanut oil. It doesn't burn. And I've got probably, I don't know, 2 inches oil in there or something, 1.5 inches.
Probably just bring it good for this pot.
Yeah, let that cook a little bit. Show you a little tour of the camper. We just finished painting the camper. It was all stickers on there and everything, and yellow, so that's kind of the design of it. We kind of did here. So Hunter's pooped out. Uh-oh, got my bottle of Royal Reserve there. Got the awning, works pretty good. We got our steps. There you go.
Easy peasy.
Wood piled up. Our neighbor left this morning, so he gave us all his wood, which was nice. Yeah. Let's get back to the chicken. I like it a little bit brown and crispy. Like I say, flip it. And we have it with rice. The rice we have in our little rice cooker, and we put some chicken broth or beef broth in there instead of water, and a little bit of sesame oil in with the rice. And then we top it off with a little bit of thick teriyaki sauce. It's really, really good. The wind is picking up. Beautiful little campsites here. Finicky with the heat here, but it's not going too bad. Of course, we've got quite a bit of chicken here. It's enough for supper tonight and lunch tomorrow. And they're good cold too. I mean, if you're cooking it in your house or in something else like that, it may not take as long, but we're fighting the wind here. But overall, it's not going too bad. I'll show you some more later on. Ciao.